Use an electric drill or cordless screw gun with a number 40 Torx bit or a Torx screwdriver to repair the center flow container. To replace a damaged door latch, unscrew the mounting bolt. Insert the mounting bolt into the replacement handle, align it with a threaded hole, and attach it firmly. Do not over-tighten the bolt. To replace a damaged hit plate, use the Torx number 40 bit and unscrew the mounting bolts. Remove the damaged plate. Fasten the new plate to the container, being careful not to over-tighten the mounting bolts or damage the plastic threads in the container. Wooden runners are sometimes damaged, and their replacement is easy. Turn the center flow container on end with runners positioned as shown. With the Torx number 40, remove the fasteners from the steel bracket on the side of the container. Only one bracket will be removed. Lift the broken or damaged runner up and out of the base frame. With the notch toward you, insert the replacement and line it up and replace the steel bracket. Reattach the steel bracket and return the container to service. If ring latches were damaged, use the Torx number 40 to remove the mounting bolt and replace the damaged part with a new one. Care should be taken not to over-tighten the fastener when reinstalling the part.